Hey guys, it's been a long time, but I'm back. I know it's been way too long, but I was so busy lately, and I will explain it all at some point. Not in this vlog, but you will see bits of it. I started a new job, and that's why I basically had no time for social media or content at all. But I'm planning my comeback with the streams and everything, so until then, here is the vlog, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it.
You're back in Europe. How was Korea?
Vlog, it's great.
Come here. Reunited. You saw my message?
Which one?
I said we should like recreate
Oh yes,
the picture that we made like a few years ago and then exactly the same pose.
No.
That's a great idea. Also.
No.
Yeah.
Not today. My outfit is not good for that.
Yeah, but we can find something else.
That's spirit.
Wait, hold on.
Okay. Let's cheers.
Ow. Fuck. Why do I do this?
It's all gonna work out perfectly.
Girls' night.
Girls' night. Oh my god.
The Media Mark is open till like 8 or 9, I believe, right?
I think 9.
So.
Oh, we should go there.
Oh yes, let's go. Wow, we came for shopping and we both.
I'm about a fucking
Media Mark, yeah.
Are you for real?
Yeah.
Let's go there like it's the fucking candy store.
It is. It's better. I don't like candy.
I do.
We should go to the gym.
No, you should go to the gym. You had the New Year's resolution to go to the fucking gym or just train or something. What have you done?
No, nothing.
Oh shit, this seems to work too.
Wow.
Wow, you just have to use your brain sometimes. Who knows?
It is steaming hot today.
Yeah, it's team effort.
I like men in uniform.
Keeping the planet clean.
Why do men in uniform always look so hot? The only thing I think is pretty is this woman in the mirror. I like the woman in the mirror.
Esther enjoys is all that matters.
Imagine you like shaking with your butt every time they go like the. Where are we going now?
Oh shit, yeah, aren't we supposed to go that way?
I think, but y'all was following this thing.
Yeah. Yeah, wrong way, I'm sorry.
Power. Because I feel like a zombie if I look at myself again.
I do look like a zombie without makeup.
Too hot for him.
You don't have those big dark spots.
Are you crazy?
I only saw it once at you, and
I'm
that was
sleep
when you.
deprived for years now.
That's what I said. I only saw it once at you, and that was when we talked about like you haven't slept for days. That was when I really saw like you needed some sleep. But that is the only time that I really saw like your eyes needed some sleep.
Yeah, I feel like I always see it. Okay, maybe it's better these days because I sleep at night at work.
Yeah. Do you sleep better lately?
No, but I'm sleeping.
We try to hear. Kissing it.
Szívesen.
Oh my god,
You're my sex bomb. You're my sex bomb.
The sex bomb.
You guys are my sex bomb.
I'm old.
Thank you.
You too. Have a nice day.
See you sitting there. Try to pose.
I don't want to be a YouTuber, it's not worth it. God, my hands are already tired. But I have to do it for my girl. But I already, I look ugly, I know.
Golden hour, yay, let's go!
Hát pedig kommunikálni kell, mert különben nem működnek a kapcsolatok.
Sister wanna go to
I
Korea.
have
She
to,
doesn't
but
wanna go alone, but I
Yeah,
go with
because
her.
I don't know, like,
Ain't nobody gonna touch you. Bring this with you.
no, not that, not that.
You gonna leave me alone or what if I can fucking just go right there? But you'll be inside. You ain't gonna see me if I'm gonna kidnap you.
I'm gonna be in the door and I
This kid got kidnapped in fucking 4 days and got killed in 4 days.
Just watch the camera, please. And the stuff, it's gonna be 2 minutes, not more.
What shaking?
The sky is getting prettier and prettier.
That's what I was about to say. Oh
I
my
heard
god.
guy again. I
It's
don't know
magical,
why.
for real.
This guy is getting prettier, and I was like, which one?
It's gonna go up to YouTube.
Now you're gonna be on the
Yeah.
He's my brother.
Yes,
I had no idea what he was talking about.
Yeah, same.
But I do not. I do not. I drink wine like once a day. Cheers. Once a week. I meant once a week.
The truth was speaking.
Once a week.
I don't have to try to expose you, you do it yourself.
It's all good.
It's okay. We accept you like this.
It happens sometimes.
You live your life how you want to.
Thank you.
You are the boss.
De legalább vicces vagyok.
Na, húzzá. Bye.
Can you believe this, guys? I leave this hole alone for 1 minute and she picks up a guy already.
Jó, most akkor beszélj egy kicsit magyarul.
Ha?
Én érted, nem érted, nem tudod mi. Melyik? Melyik?
De ennyi aranypapucs van.
Az aranypapucs? Szeretném a kamerába, amúgy ezt légy szíves.
Na, mondjad.
Szóval nekem nincsen ízlésem, de Lénának az az aranypapucs tetszik.
Oh, jó, Dick.
Jó, szerintem így fura fejem.
De, legfurább fejed van a világon.
Még mindig nem kaptam vissza a pénzemet. Fú. Ilyenekre kell emlékeztetni engem Hollandiába.
I would appreciate a lot if you would fucking speak in English.
Are you sad? Are you emotional?
I'm always I'm not excited.
Aww. Maybe meet again. Wait, közelítsek rá, hogy cheers. Cheers. And right after Esther went home, I got a very interesting message on Discord from Gaze, Georgia's boyfriend, and well, let me show you. Oh yeah. So after this, we began to plan this trip, and oh my god, this made me so busy. Next to work and preparing and going for documents, and I had to go back to Hungary to renew my passport. It was a whole lot of mess, but at least I had a chance to go and visit Esther again. So she was really surprised when I told her like, hey girl, I'm coming. Finally, when I had my plane tickets in my hands, we revealed our big secret to Jojo, and yeah, he was surprised.
Hi, Lena.
Hello. Hey.
Hi.
Surprise.
Surprise what? What's the surprise?
You're not surprised to see me.
What is going on?
This is a surprise.
I'm here to surprise you.
What the heck is this? We're- You're coming to New York?
Yes.
That's amazing. What?
To celebrate all of your birthdays, basically.
Oh my god.
We are going wild. I promise you.
My god. That's insane. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Stop. Get off my face.